Welcome to my self-love through cleaning. This is me cleaning the grout, the lines that hold this space together. I use a mechanical brush, powerful and precise. With each pass, I release buildup, residue and energy that no longer belongs here. This is not just about appearance, this is about intention. I focus on the spaces in between, the ones that support everything else. The brush shakes loose what's been stuck. I give gratitude, knowing that this act is a reflection of how I love on myself. This is not rushing and this is not slow. I am deliberate, I am present. You are watching me clear the path for peace to flow freely. This is me cleaning the walls, the quiet surfaces that surround me daily. I wipe away dust, splashes, soot, and forgotten fingerprints. These walls have held my laughter, my silence, my breath as I clean. I remember that even what holds me needs to be held in return. This is a gesture of gratitude. This is a moment I value the structure that shelters me. This is me tending to the wood, the grounding element of this room. I polish the grain, tracing the natural lines with reverence. This wood has supported me, I give back to it now, restoring its shine, respecting its strength. This is connection, this is respecting the energy. This is me cleaning the sink, the place where I release. Rinse and renew, I clear away the remnants of yesterday. Making space for what's next, this is where I let go. This is me cleaning the shower doors, the gateway to my renewal. I wipe away water stains and soap residue, clearing the glass so light can pass through. I scrub the walls and the base, removing buildup. Every motion is a reclaiming of clarity. I choose to vibrate higher and release what no longer serves me. I honor this space because it honors me. This is me detailing the shower head. The grout in the tub lining, I clean the crevices. The corners, the places that are easy to ignore. But I don't ignore them, I purify them. These are the vessels that connect me to water. Water that flows through them touches my skin. And my energy, I make sure they are clean. Clear and ready to serve, dedication to the process. This is me cleaning the toilet, the place of release. I approach it with respect, not avoidance. I scrub, I sanitize, I restore. This is not shameful, this is sacred. Even this space deserves love. This is me cleaning the mirror, the reflection of my truth. I wipe away distortion, what remains is clarity, what remains is me. This is me cleaning the floor by hand, grounded. Intentional, I move across the surface that holds me every day. I honor it with my presence, with my touch. This is humility, this is grace. This is me loving on myself through my space, permeating from the inside out. You can do the same, your space is sacred. Once your space has been physically cleansed, you can now start your spiritual cleanse. Self-love radiates from the inside out. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Continue to love yourselves out here and be great.